The Curious Ant's Big Adventure, a short moral story. In a busy anthill beneath a giant oak tree lived a tiny ant named Pip. While the other ants followed the same trail every day, Pip dreamed of adventure beyond the colony. One sunny morning, Pip decided to explore. "I'll be back soon," he called, marching into the unknown. He climbed towering blades of grass, tiptoed across dewdrops, and even rode a friendly ladybug over a puddle that looked like a shimmering lake. Every step brought something new: colorful petals, buzzing bees, and fluttering butterflies. Pip was thrilled. But then, dark clouds rolled in. Rain poured from the sky, turning dirt paths into muddy rivers. Pip was small and alone. Cold and scared, he searched for shelter beneath a leaf. Just when he thought he was lost, the same ladybug swooped down and lifted him into the air, flying him safely home. The colony cheered his return, and Pip smiled gratefully. From that day on, Pip still explored, but he always brought a friend and stayed prepared. Moral: curiosity leads to great adventures, but wisdom and preparation keep you safe along the way. Thank you for watching.